Welcome back, beautiful people. It's time for a new Chebe recipe, and I'm cooking up a Chebe Hair Tea. First, we have 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, which is believed to help kill bacteria on the scalp, fight dandruff, strengthen the hair follicles, and promote growth, leaving the hair a beautiful shine. My favorite OG henna, which balances oil production and pH levels, conditions, repairs, and strengthens the hair, minimizing hair fall and help with hair growth. And of course, the star of the show, Chebe. I'm using 1 tablespoon, which is going to help condition, moisturize, and help retain length. Look at that color. The smell, I swear it's to die for. I'm going to be using this as my daily hair spritz. Also, I'm going to be using this when I apply my hair mask, and I already use it as my leave-in. You guys can go ahead and see a picture of that. I applied it to my hair first, then I went in with a leave-in and a gel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.